protein chips. So we have ranch, nacho cheese, and barbecue. And let's give them a try. So we're gonna try them all. I'm gonna try barbecue first because I'm not a barbecue girly, but we're gonna try it anyway because maybe I'll like it. So yeah. All right, I wanna show you the inside. This is what the inside looks like, so you can see. All right, so we're gonna try the barbecue. Okay, cheers. If you couldn't tell by my face, I really just don't like barbecue flavored things. So I don't like this flavor, but I will have Chris try it. He likes barbecue and see what he thinks. But for the chip texture, I like it. Next, we're gonna try ranch. I have high hopes for this one. I really like ranch. That's like one of the few dipping sauces that I actually enjoy. Oh yeah. So, okay, I'm super excited to try the ranch. Yes, I do like these ones. They're so light and fluffy. Like these are like very lightweight snacks. These ones are really good. I like these. Okay, I really like the ranch ones. These were very good. Very, very good, actually. And the last one, nacho cheese. I am so excited for this one. I'm gonna cleanse my palate. I'm so excited to try this. Oh yeah. I like these ones too. Yeah, you can kind of see a little bit better on this one that it's like a, and again, these are popped. It says that these, I just saw it actually, I'm sorry. So yeah, these are popped, not fried, I believe it says. So again, why did I just eat it like that? These are really, really good. Overall, after trying them, I think these are really good. I think these are a really good, super easy way to get 20 grams of protein and enjoy a little snack. Because these are such a light snack, they're not gonna fill you if you're like really hungry. But these are a really nice snack and very good, very flavorful. And again, with the barbecue, if you enjoy barbecue, I think you would like this. I just don't like barbecue sauce. So take my opinion with a grain of salt. I'll report back if Chris likes them and his thoughts. But the nacho cheese and the ranch, these are really, really good. Like if you need, like you could make like a walking like nachos, like a little taco bag or nachos. Like these would be really good, and then you could get more protein. But overall, I am very, very happy with these. These were very good. I'm so happy for Legendary Foods. Congratulations, these are delicious. I can't wait to see what other yummy products you guys come out with. But thank you so much, and I hope if you guys try them, let me know. Let me know which one is your favorite flavor.